Top 10 Electric Spin Scrubber Numbers 1. The Kelfer Electric Spin Scrubber KH8 Cordless Shower Scrubber. 4. Replacement Head is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool suitable for various cleaning tasks. With its innovative design and powerful features, it offers users a convenient and effective way to tackle dirt and grime. Made by the reputable brand Kelfer, this electric spin scrubber comes in a sleek pearl white color, adding a touch of elegance to your cleaning routine. The handle is constructed from durable metal, ensuring a sturdy grip and long-lasting performance. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its 2 adjustable spin speeds, allowing you to choose the ideal level of scrubbing power for different surfaces. Whether you need a gentle...
Number 2. Product Review. The Labago Electric Spin Scrubber. LA1 Pro is an exceptional cleaning device that offers convenience and efficiency. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this spin scrubber is a GME changer in the world of household cleaning. The Labago Electric Spin Scrubber LA1 Pro boasts a sleek design with a crisp white color that effortlessly blends into any home decor. The handle is made of durable metal, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its compact dimensions of 16.22 L 6.34, W 5.63H make it easy to maneuver and store, without sacrificing power. One of the standout features of this...
Number 3. The Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber by Bombvez is a versatile and efficient cleaning brush scrubber designed for home use. With its impressive features and functionality, this product offers a convenient solution for tackling tough cleaning tasks around the house. Measuring at 9 inches in length, 4 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, the Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber is compact and easy to handle. Its L-shaped design allows for better maneuverability, making it ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach areas such as tile, shower, and bathtub surfaces. The scrubber is equipped with 8 replaceable brush heads, ensuring that you have the right tool for different cleaning needs. The brushes provide a rotational speed of 400 revolutions per minute, RPM, ensuring effective scrubbing power to remove stuff.
Number 4. Product Review. Leibine Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush. The Leibine Electric Spin Scrubber is an innovative cleaning tool that revolutionizes the way we tackle our cleaning tasks. With its cordless design and 8 replaceable brush heads, it offers a versatile and efficient cleaning experience for various surfaces. One of the standout features of this product is its extendable handle, allowing users to reach high or low areas with ease. The stainless steel handle provides a sturdy grip, ensuring optimal control during cleaning sessions. Its round shape contributes to a comfortable and ergonomic design, reducing hand fatigue. Measuring 17 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 4 inches in height, this cleaning brush is compact and light.
Number 5. The Leibine Electric Spin Scrubber is a truly remarkable cleaning tool that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. Designed with advanced features and unmatched performance, this upgraded electric scrubber is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning tasks. One of the standout features of this product is its powerful spin scrubbing action. Equipped with an upgraded motor, the Leibine Electric Spin Scrubber provides vigorous and efficient cleaning, saving you time and effort. Whether you're cleaning floors or grout, this scrubber delivers exceptional results, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. The extendable handle is another feature that sets this product apart from others on the market. With its adjustable length, you can easily reach difficult-to-access areas without straining your back or bending over. The stainless steel handle is durable and built to last, ensuring a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability.
Number 7. This product review will provide a detailed overview of the Electric Spin Scrubber, Shower Scrubber with Long Handle, Adjustable Extension Arm by Adjustabl. The product offers a range of features designed to enhance cleaning efficiency and convenience. Let's dive into the specifics. The Adjustabl Electric Spin Scrubber in white and gray is a versatile cleaning tool suitable for various surfaces such as floors, tiles, bathtubs, windows, and countertops. It measures 2.5 L 2.5 W 43.5 H and weighs 3.72 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to maneuver. One of the standout features...
Number 8. The Velweek Electric Spin Scrubber is an exceptional cleaning tool that guarantees a hassle-free and effective cleaning experience. With over 10,005 positive customer ratings and a 4.4 out of 5-star rating, this product certainly lives up to its reputation as one of the best in its category. Designed by Voweek, a trusted brand in the industry, this electric spin scrubber comes in a sleek white color that adds a touch of elegance to your cleaning routine. The handle is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and providing a comfortable grip. The Voweek electric spin scrubber is versatile and can be used on a variety of surfaces such as windows, floors, countertops, tiles, and bathtubs.
Number 9. Product review, electric spin scrubber, upgrade electric spin, cordless tub and tile scrubber with adjustable extension. The electric spin scrubber by Coligan is a versatile and efficient tool designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. With its adjustable extension and cordless functionality, this product offers convenience and flexibility that can be appreciated by everyone. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its adjustable extension. With a length of 49.6 inches, it provides an extended reach, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. Whether it's scrubbing the bathtub, bathroom tiles, or kitchen floors, this feature ensures that no corner is left untouched. In terms of design, the electric spin scrubber boasts a sleek and durable stainless steel construction. This not only enhances its longevity, but also makes it resistant to corrosion and wear. The use of high-quality materials.
Number 10. Product review. Electric spin scrubber. 520 revolutions per minute. Cordless cleaning brush with 6 replaceable brush heads. The electric spin scrubber by Pelda is a powerful cleaning tool that offers convenience and efficiency for all your cleaning needs. With its cordless design and adjustable features, it provides a hassle-free experience for users. One notable feature of this product is its impressive speed of 520 rotations per minute, RPM. This high-speed rotation ensures that every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned, saving you time and effort. Whether you're tackling tough stains or simply maintaining cleanliness, this spin scrubber is up to the task. The 6 replaceable brush heads included with the product are another highlight. Each brush head is designed to serve a specific purpose, allowing you to customize your cleaning approach based on the surface or dirt you're dealing with. From round brushes to L-shaped brushes, this variety ensures that you have the right tool for every job.